DJI, widely recognized as a trailblazer in drone technology, is reportedly planning to enter the mirrorless camera market. According to multiple sources, the company is developing a cutting-edge mirrorless camera with interchangeable lenses, with a potential launch as early as September. If true, this move would position DJI as a direct competitor to camera industry titans like Sony, Nikon, and Canon. Leveraging its engineering expertise and its ownership of Hasselblad, a brand renowned for its premium medium format cameras, DJI could introduce a groundbreaking product that redefines the standards for both photography and videography. For years, DJI has been synonymous with innovation, dominating the drone market with products like the Mavic and Phantom series. However, the company has also steadily expanded its focus into other areas of imaging technology. Its acquisition of Hasselblad, a company known for exceptional image quality and minimalist designs, has added an additional layer of credibility to DJI's ambitions in the broader imaging market. By combining Hasselblad's high-end imaging expertise with its own technical ingenuity, DJI could develop a mirrorless camera that offers professional-grade performance while remaining intuitive and accessible to a wide range of users. Mirrorless cameras have transformed the photography industry, but they are far from perfect. Many users continue to grapple with cumbersome menu systems, outdated connectivity options, and inefficient workflows. This is where DJI has a unique opportunity to stand out. Known for creating intuitive and user-friendly products like the Osmo Pocket and Ronin stabilizers, DJI has a proven ability to simplify complex technologies without compromising on functionality. A mirrorless camera that combines DJI's design philosophy with innovative features could resolve many of the pain points that photographers and videographers currently face. One of the most significant areas where DJI could make a difference is in usability. Menu systems on modern cameras often remain overly complex, frustrating users who want quick access to settings and features. DJI could adopt a minimalist approach inspired by Hasselblad's Scandinavian design philosophy, which emphasizes clean, intuitive interfaces. This would make the camera more approachable for hobbyists while still providing the advanced functionality required by professionals. Simplified menus could dramatically improve the user experience, particularly for those transitioning from smartphones or entry-level cameras to a more advanced system. Another area where DJI could excel is connectivity. Despite advancements in camera technology, transferring files from cameras to smartphones or other devices is still a slow and cumbersome process for many models. DJI, however, has a proven track record of integrating advanced wireless technologies into its products. By incorporating features like fast Wi-Fi and Bluetooth file transfers, DJI could make it easier for creators to share their work instantly. Additionally, there are rumors that the camera may include eSIM technology, allowing users to back up their files directly to the cloud. This would be a game changer for photographers and videographers, providing peace of mind by ensuring their data is securely stored and easily accessible without the need for external storage devices. Internal storage is another feature that could set DJI's mirrorless camera apart. The company has already demonstrated its ability to include substantial storage capacity in its drones, such as the Mavic 3, which offers up to 1 TB of internal storage. Extending this capability to its mirrorless camera would not only streamline workflows, but also eliminate the reliance on SD cards for many users. Such features would resonate particularly well with creators who prioritize speed and efficiency in their work. Lens compatibility will also play a critical role in the success of DJI's mirrorless camera. The company has experience developing versatile systems such as the Ronin 4D, which supports DJI's proprietary DL lenses alongside third-party options like L-mount, E-mount, and M-mount lenses. If the rumored camera offers similar flexibility, it could attract both seasoned professionals with existing lens collections and newcomers looking for affordable, high-quality options. Furthermore, DJI could develop its own line of lenses, delivering exceptional performance at competitive prices. This would not only broaden the camera's appeal, but also strengthen DJI's position in the market. Despite its potential, DJI's entry into the mirrorless camera market will not be without challenges. The industry is dominated by well-established players like Sony, Canon, and Nikon, which have decades of experience and loyal customer bases. Breaking into this market will require DJI to offer something truly revolutionary rather than just incremental improvements. The company will need to balance innovation with affordability to ensure its product appeals to both enthusiasts and professionals. Features like internal storage, advanced connectivity, and eSIM integration are exciting, but they may also drive up costs, potentially limiting the camera's accessibility. Adding to the uncertainty is the fact that the details surrounding DJI's rumoured camera remain sparse. While sources like Sony Alpha Rumors have cited trusted insiders, there is little concrete information about the camera's specific features, capabilities, or pricing. This lack of clarity makes it difficult to gauge how the product will compare to existing offerings from other manufacturers. Nevertheless, if DJI succeeds in delivering on its rumoured features, the impact on the industry could be significant. By addressing common frustrations such as clunky interfaces, limited connectivity, and lens compatibility issues, DJI could set a new standard for what a modern mirrorless camera can achieve. The company's expertise in engineering and design, combined with its commitment to innovation, positions it well to challenge the status quo and push the boundaries of what's possible in photography and videography. The potential launch of DJI's mirrorless camera represents more than just a product release. It could mark the beginning of a new era for the company and the industry as a whole. By leveraging its existing expertise and exploring fresh ideas, DJI has the opportunity to redefine what creators expect from their gear. Whether it's through seamless wireless file transfers, intuitive user interfaces, or versatile lens compatibility, DJI's rumoured camera could appeal to a wide audience, from casual hobbyists to seasoned professionals. As the photography world eagerly awaits more details, one thing is certain: DJI's entry into the mirrorless camera market could be a game changer. If the rumours are true, September could usher in a significant moment for both photography enthusiasts and professionals, solidifying DJI's reputation as a pioneer in imaging technology and further reshaping the landscape of modern cameras.